Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2011 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the June 2011 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. June 2012 data interpretation question is based on the pie chart. So what is the question? The question is the total electricity generation in a country is 97 gigawatt. The contribution of various energy sources is indicated in percentage terms in the pie chart given below. From hydropower, the total energy is generated is 20%. Wind and solar energy 7% generated. From nuclear power 3% energy generated, and from fossil fuel 70% energy is generated. Okay, so what is the question? The question is what is the contribution of wind and solar power in absolute terms in the electricity generation? Options are option A 6.79 gigawatt, option B 19.4 gigawatt, option C 9.7 gigawatt, option D 29.1 gigawatt. So what is the contribution of wind and solar power in absolute terms in the electricity generation? The total electricity generation in a country is 97 gigawatt, and from the wind and solar energy 7% energy has been generated. So what is the percentage? What is how we calculate the percentage? 97 into 7%. Then we have to get the answer. Okay. So how we solve this question? See you in the next slide. So here is the solution. The solution is from wind and solar energy 7% energy will be generated and the total energy is 97 gigawatt. So 97 into 7%, that means 97 into 7 by 100, that is equal to 90. If we multiply 97 into 7, we get 679 divided by 100, that is equal to 6.79 gigawatt. So option A is the right option. Okay. Next question is the total electricity generation in a country is 97 gigawatt. The contribution of various energy sources is indicated in percentage terms in the pie chart given below. And the question is what is the contribution of renewable energy sources in absolute terms in the electricity generation? Renewable energy sources means this is hydropower, this is wind and solar energy power, this is nuclear power, and this is fossil fuel. So which one is the renewable energy source? This fossil fuel is the renewable energy source. So by using fossil fuel we have to generate 70% energy, right? So how we calculate this contribution? So the total electricity generation in a country is 97 gigawatt. So 97 into 70%. So if we calculate this number, we have to get the answer, right? So here is the solution. From fossil fuel, we get 70% energy source. So 97 into 70%. That means 679 divided by 10. That is equal to 67.9 gigawatt. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.